Welcome to CKLA Lesson 9, Unit 5. Today, our learning targets are I can read contraction words, and I can identify the subject and predicate in the sentence. Now, contractions are new words made up of two words with certain letters left out and an apostrophe inserted in place of the letters. So we have looked at apostrophes in contractions before. We've looked at combining two words to make contractions. So this is a review. I'm going to show a word one time or one word at a time, and I will call on a student to say a sentence using the word on the card. So if you're a distance learner, you're going to be thinking of these answers, and my face-to-face learners, you are ready to guess, to say a sentence using the word on the card. So I want you to think of a sentence with this word. This word is can't. And you know, the contraction for can't, the two words are can not. So a sentence, an example could be, we can't go outside for recess because it's raining. What about is not? Now, is not can be combined to make the contraction isn't. Why isn't your favorite color blue? Aren't. Let's read the rest of our contractions and let's discuss what words make up the contractions. Aren't is made up of what two words? Are not. Good. Could not. What contraction does could not make? What word is left out, or what letters? Excuse me. Okay, so couldn't, and you're going to leave out the N and the O for not. Wouldn't. What two words make up wouldn't? Would not. Now, this one's a tricky one. Will not. The contraction's not willn't. What's the contraction for will not? Won't. W-O-N apostrophe T. Cannot. What's your contraction? Can't. Is not. What's your contraction here? It's isn't. Are not. What's your contraction? Aren't. Couldn't. What two words make up your contraction? Could not. Think of a sentence with could not. We could not find the noodles in the store. We couldn't find the noodles in the store. Would not. Wouldn't. What two words make up won't? We just went over this one. Can you remember what two words make up won't? Will not. Good. Now let's match the word pairs to the correct contraction. Okay, so take a minute now and let's see if we can find where your matches are. Can't goes to cannot. Isn't goes to is not. And aren't goes to are not. Good job. Try these. Couldn't goes to could not. Wouldn't goes to would not. And won't goes to will not. Now we're also going to talk today about subjects and predicates in sentences. Remember, a subject is the who or the what. It usually comes at the beginning. And your predicate is the verb. It's the action part of the sentence. Beth ate the pie. Who or what is the subject? Beth. And our predicate is ate the pie. So that's your action part. We're going to underline the subject once and the predicate twice to show our example. Now you're going to be doing the same thing today. So really pay attention to your directions as well. Beth and Joe walked and ran. What is your subject? That's your who or what. Beth and Joe, right? And your predicate, your verb is walked and ran. Now, Beth and Joe are compound subjects because you're talking about two different people and they're both your subject to your sentence. Okay, you're going to complete exercise or worksheet 9.1, which is page 49 in your packet. Now, you are underlining the subject once and the predicate twice. Don't forget to study for your spelling test. You will have a spelling test tomorrow. If you are a face-to-face learner, you will be taking your spelling test today. Make sure you're looking at your IGH, says I in the middle of the word, and your Y is saying that I at the end of the word. Okay, you're also going to work on apostrophes today. This is a take-home sheet. Some of my face-to-face learners, you may be doing this in class, or you're going to be doing this in class today. So you are making contractions with the two words listed. Your part 2, you're writing your own sentence with a contraction. Okay, our learning targets, we'll go over those one more time. You're going to read contraction words, so you're using and building those words, and you are identifying subjects and predicates in a sentence. Have a great day.